now.
Very good evening to all of the Swara Gurukulam member. This is my case. The case actually I give the name this case the complete blind this name. So actually this is the background history from this case. That's why I give their name. So say next slide. Background history was this is the one of my relative called me for the medicine of the control of the blood sugar level. When I asked what is the need of this, and they said they want to operate the cataract of the mother's eye, and but because of the high blood sugar level, the operation could not be performed. So she has taken lot of the allopathic drug from the last 8 months, but no sign of the improvement. So I gave the simple medicine Gymnema sylvestre for the sugar control, and actually she is my relative, so I know her nature and activity, and so I also suggest the Natramune 200 for only in a morning daily 1 dose, and told them give me the report after the 15 days. Next time, after 15 days, when I went to the hometown, I met her for just to know that what is the sugar level condition. And but what I see and hear, it was a sound like a question mark in myself also. What is, and I was thinking how it is possible. And actually she has no improvement in the sugar level, but she has a marked improvement in her vision, in eating, in sleep, in motion, and even in the mental level also. But the sugar level still is 600. And after see all this improvement, I decided that I should take this very seriously now. And now I take the complete case, taking and with the analysis process. So next slide. This is the preliminary data of the lady, 63-year-old lady, housewife, farmer hai. Next. This is the first pic sent by her son. And see here in this stage, you can only see the expression of the face, and she can't see this time, completely blind, cannot see in the single things, and so complete blind state. This next. So then I start the case. Tell me what's the problem. And she says I was completely blind, can't see anything, just a blank in front of me, nothing I can see. It was completely black. This condition is continuing from the last 9 months, and before that I was able to see the everything. When I asked what happened before the 9 months, and she said there was a little conflict between my son. Actually, this is the daughter-in-law. My son and the daughter-in-law, but she dialed the 100 and called to the police. And after 5 to 12 minutes, the police came and suddenly arrested my son. And so they took the police, my son is pulling the police van. Then when the police was dragging my son into the van, and I was so restless and want to catch my son, and was doing so much struggle to relieve my son from the police. But what happened? Suddenly my husband stopped me and they say, please stop, do nothing, let the police perform his duty. And but I was so restless in my side, and they taking away from the son from me, and that moment was painful. And I again asked what happened at that spur of the moment. The patient says when the police was taking away my son, they were separating my son from me, and I was completely helpless at that time. At that spur of the moment, my heart was so beating fast. My heart was jumping that continuously from the above of my chest, and I felt no sense in my heart, leg, and my body. I was just like a dead, and my whole body became the cold, especially the hand, finger, leg, and no sense in the body, and want to beat. But the main things, not a single drop of the tears come from the eyes, rolled out from the eyes. Next. Suddenly the rays of the lights come in my eye, but no return back, and I become the unconscious. After 1 hour, when a conscious come back, there was a completely blank in front of me. I couldn't see. I was not able to see anything. Completely black, dark. Then I shouted and called to my younger son and daughter. Told me that I can't see anything. After that, my sugar level increases, and my desire of the food decrease, sleep disturbed, and I never live alone. But because of this blindness, I have want someone continue to take care of my. I am completely dependent. Can't do anything without the help. I never live alone. Never in a dark since the childhood also. And this is the other information about the patient. And she says she never lived alone since the childhood. If she was alone in a home, she never stay in a home also. She stay in a neighbor house, and she has a fear of the alone, fear of the thief, and she is completely depend from the childhood, as the her father said she did that thing, and dream of the robber in a house, water, river, and she like the curd and milk so much, and many things she can't share to the anyone. Next, this is the changes after taking the first medicine that I prescribed Netramine 200. So what the change I see, when I asked the patient, she said I felt a big change after the medicine. From the last 8 months, I was not able to see anything, means the completely dark, no light. But from the last 1 month, first I felt yellow bulb light in my both eyes, and after next week yellow bulb disappear automatically, and she was some hazy lights come, some hazy lights you can see hazy around the light, and after another week I able to see the moving light around my movable object. So I see the light around the movable object, and like animal, human, and then I understood someone is there. I can't understand what is there, who was there, and also feel the better inside, and how now I hope that I can see again. My appetite increase and feel happy inside, and she has improvement in the vision and a tear in her eye. First time she feel a tear in her eye, and but the sugar level is not much go down. It's still in a 400 to 500. And the understanding of case and analysis is that from all the conversation, she seems like a baby, a little baby, which completely depend and also attached to the mother. She has no me versus you also here, and she has separation relation. This is the separation issue is very much affected to that lady, and she has no development her own choices. There is no sensitivity issue also in their cases, and she has clearly coming in up. Also you can understand the mineral kingdom, but no development of the thinking, choice, and this belong to the column 1. Newborn baby like pattern इसके हैं. Dependence belong to the row 3 and clearly showing the vital changes, coldness, less of oxygen, complete down, no energy belong to the carbon also. Next, so this is the column 1. Kingdom इसका mineral है, row 1 है level of experience इसका emotional and toward the sensation. सोरा इसका miasm है, potency 200 to 1 m. So I give the remedy Natrum Tar. Second, so this is the reference from the soul of the remedy, especially given Natrum Tar. Then Natrum Tar movement relationship is important. Separation movement is very important in the Natrum Tar. Next, so this is Natrum Tar 200, 2 dose only, and placebo and Gymnema sylvestre, mother tincture, and the Euphrasia eye drop for the eyes. Next, so this is the first changes and much improvement, and she can see the color, green light, green color, red color, yellow, black color, and she also understand what is the in front of his her animal है कि human है कि क्या है. And now the blood sugar level come to the 206 to 245 तक, and improvement continue, and the my treatment is same prescription. Next, second follow, she has much improvement, and the earlier color skin की color दिखने लगी वो. Now she can able to understand the younger son, little son, understand होने लगा कौन है मेरे सामने, बेटा है कि कौन है, वो समझ में आने लगा, और इनसाइड होप उसके बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया. And I give the same. Now the last follow-up is the improvement in vision, and she can understand distance object उसको दिखने लगे, पेड़ दिखने लगे, कलर दिखने लगे पेड़ों के, ग्रीन लाइट उसको दिखने लगी, वहाँ ग्रीन पत्तियां उसको दिखने लगी, color of the skin, utensils कौन से use हो रहे हैं, and she said I can see the chapati also. And the last improvement, second next, so I give the natrum, I increase the potency, natrum 1 m I give, and euphrasia continue, and the gymnema sylvestre I continue, and I start medicine 10 next. And this is the first time I see lady see the flower in the garden, and she told me and most important thing, after 1 m she called me, madam, I have never felt what is perspiration, मुझे पसीना नहीं आ रहा है आपसे कम से कम 8 साल से, but after this medicine I lot of sweating and feel light in my inside, feel happy in my side. And after that, and next, and most important thing is this, finally the family and the doctor cancel the operation and the hospital treatment is continued. And this is the last pick of that lady. Thank you so much, homeopathy, and thank you so much of the Swaraj Gurukul. Thank you so much, the Sekhar sir. Thank you so much. This is the amazing case for me. Thank you very much.